Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request money on Monzo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monzo account either online or your mobile phone. That's the mobile application. So first, how do you create an account on Monzo? Pretty simple. First off, launch your browser, any browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar, type monzo.com and it's going to take you to the official website. Once you get in there, top right corner, you're going to find a sign up button. Click on that. And once you do that, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account and you'll be good to go. Now, there's one thing that you need to know. The Monzo is restricted to UK residents only. It means that if you do not reside in UK, then you are going to find it difficult for you to create an account on Monzo. So not all of us have the luxury of creating an account on Monzo, but we have the knowledge required to pull through with all of the features on Monzo, and we're going to help you right away. That's why we have created this video to see how we can help you make a request or request money on Monzo. So if you want to request money from your friends on Monzo, here's how you can go about it. So this is the feature that activates that, which is monzo.me. So monzo.me lets you send or receive money without needing to know the other person's account details. So you can send money to anyone with a Monzo account you eat and receive money from anyone, even if they don't have Monzo. That's sweet. So use it to request or send money to friends and families, pay a bill, chip in for a present, or reimburse someone. And then to send money, all you need is the person's monzo.me username. Okay, so once you get the monzo.me username, so you need to create an account for this monzo.me. So once you get the username, and you need to give your monzo.me username to anyone who wants to send you money, and the money moves instantly and it's totally free. That's sweet. So here's how you can do it. All right, tap the payments icon, the menu bar, and then request, and then tap share link. So on your mobile application, monzo.me, or once you get to monzo.me account, all right, you're going to see the menu bar right there. And in the menu bar, you're going to see a couple icons, and one of them you're going to find payments. So click on payments, and once you click on payments, then the next thing that you have to click on is requests. Okay, so you can see more options once you click on payments. Click on request, and once you click on request, then you're going to see an option that says share a link. So click on share link and share it to the person you want to request money from. Now you need to note that you cannot use a credit card or prepaid card to pay someone using Monzo, and you can also try using the QR code feature to get your money back. All right, so if you need the money back, this is what you would do. Check that you're findable by ensuring you have toggled on the QR code on payment link in your settings, in your app settings, and then tap the payments icon in the menu bar, the same process. And then you're going to see a QR code. Tap the QR code at the top right corner of your screen beside the magnifying glass, or the tapping on the request money, or tapping on request money and then choosing by QR code or link. Then enter the amount, lift that up to them. Then they'll be able to use their phone's camera or a QR code scanner to scan this and make the payment. So that's pretty simple. That's if you want to use the QR code feature, this is what you should do. So ensure that you are findable. You've toggled on the QR code or payment link in your settings. So go to settings, you see QR code or payment link toggle it on first. And then the next thing is in your menu bar and the home page, you're going to find payments. Click on the payments icon and then tap the QR code, which you're going to find at the top right corner of your screen beside the magnifying glass. That's the search icon. Or click on request money. Then once you click request money, choose by QR code or link. All right, then enter the amount and then leave that up to the person, and the person will use his or her phone to phone camera or QR code scanner to scan it, and then they'll be able to make payment. So this is pretty much the process. That's how you can request money on Monzo by using monzo.me. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.